Rice, the foundation of a healthy diet for people around the globe. It's often described as the perfect food. Delicious, nutritious, easy to cook, easy to store. When it comes to producing one of the world's most favorite foods, no one does it better than the U.S. rice industry. U.S. rice is not dependent on seasonal rains. Growers here can carefully control just how much water and nutrients their rice crop receives, which means consistent quality from planting to harvest. Here's a quick look at how rice is produced. Laser guidance systems determine where water control levees will be placed. Spring planting is done quickly and efficiently. As the fields remain flooded, many species of birds and wildlife take advantage of the beautiful wetland habitat created by rice farmers. Shorebirds and others call rice fields home. Speaking of cooking and eating, in fact, rice brings you a world of great ideas. There's fried rice, Spanish rice, rice salad, rice casserole, rice pilaf, sushi rice, rice stuffing, rice soup, spicy rice, beans and rice, risotto, jambalaya, paella, rice pudding, rice cakes, rice desserts, and rice, plain and simple. Hungry? Eat all you want. We'll grow more. With the best environment, the best production practices, the best technology, the highest food safety standards, U.S. rice growers and millers work hard to make sure American-grown rice is the safest and highest quality rice in the world.